Hey there! Are you looking for ways to make money online? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll go over some of the most popular and effective ways to earn an income online. Whether you're a full-time employee, a student, or a stay-at-home parent, there's something here for everyone. So let's get started. One way to make money online is by freelancing. This can be anything from writing and editing to graphic design and social media management. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to find freelance work. The key to success as a freelancer is to find your niche, build a strong portfolio, and market yourself effectively. Another way to make money online is by creating and selling online courses or ebooks. If you have a particular skill or expertise, you can turn that knowledge into a profitable business by sharing it with others. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to create and sell your own courses. And with the rise of self-publishing, it's easier than ever to write and sell your own ebooks through platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Affiliate marketing is another popular way to make money online. This involves promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. To get started with affiliate marketing, you'll need to find a reputable affiliate network and sign up as a member. From there, you can choose the products you want to promote and start earning commissions. Blogging and YouTube are two more ways to make money online. If you have a passion for writing, you can start a blog and monetize it through advertising, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. YouTube is a great platform for creating and sharing videos, and you can monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. There are many ways to make money online, and the right one for you will depend on your skills, interests, and goals. Whether you choose to freelance, create and sell online courses, engage in affiliate marketing, or start a blog or YouTube channel, the opportunities are endless. Just remember to be patient, stay focused, and work hard, and you'll be on your way to earning an income online in no time. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and are now inspired to start making money online. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content like this. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below. We love hearing from you.